Hear that? It's the sound of nature. Hi, I'm Nel-E, the Nature Queen, and I'm here to teach you all about nature. It's wild, right? Come on, let's go, you noob. First things first, when you're going out in nature, you want to be well prepared. You want to make sure you're dressed for the part. You want to make sure you're prepared for the elements. That's right. You got to wear good shoes, nice pants that cover your legs, and make sure you have a lot of layers around you. Looks like we're ready to hit the nature trail. Come on, let's get going. You might encounter a hill or two on your hike. Sometimes you'll feel motivated to run. Let's go. Boy, I'm tired. I'm gonna put up my hair. Good thing I brought this trusty hair tie. Always be prepared on a hike. Let's go. The most intimidating part about being out in nature might be, where am I gonna go to the bathroom? Let me show you. You might find a hole or a hill somewhere where you can just squat over and go for it. If you find yourself about to cross a bridge, maybe stop and do some yoga poses and then post it onto your social media account, like this. Gotta remember to silence the cell phone. Hey, I can't talk right now, I'm hiking. Boyfriends. Always make sure you connect with the other people on the trail. You never know when you're gonna need a friend. Hey guys, how's it going? You guys having fun today? Hiking ain't always gonna be easy. Nailed it. Time to rock climb. Phew. Wow. Make sure you wear sunblock. Wow. Nature sure is awesome, right? Make sure you're quiet and respectful on the trail so that these little critters can live their best life. I'm Nel-E, the Nature Queen. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.